Yo!
Yo.
You like it out here?
I love it out here. You on video right now?
Yeah.
You have video on that?
Yeah.
Crazy.
I think you can even zoom.
Yo. Did you get that on video? Did you get that on video?
Yeah, you're such a
scared the
prick.
shit out of you.
Yeah, I almost lost the
Yo,
camera.
you're gonna want to walk backwards on a dock, bro. You might be a little stupid. Throw me a butt, bro. Don't worry. Oh, see? Good. These guys rolled little skinny ass one page.
Yeah, I know. I rolled
we need some L's. There's like 6 of us.
Yeah, I know. That's what I
later?
figured. Like, here comes the
Let's go get
man,
more shit.
J-Rod.
Yo, you have to do me a favor. Turn that off for 1 second.
No, tell the camera.
No, turn it off.
What
for
is
1 second.
it?
I don't do it with the camera. Just turn the fucking shit off for a second.
Okay. Does it have anything to do with that rash?